In this aid, we will voice our own and market's viewpoint on ADA future while talking about Cardano cost gauge for 2023 and then some. Kindly remember that you want to think about this and some other expectation while considering other factors, since foreseeing anything is a difficult errand, not to mention foreseeing the eventual fate of a novel, profoundly unstable monetary resource like ADA. Presently, we should head into it. Before we dive profound into the Cardano value forecast and answer questions on the off chance that Cardano is a wise speculation or not. For what reason will ADA succeed or come up short, or for what reason will ADA value rise or drop? We should rapidly toss a look at what is Cardano and its to-date history. You can purchase, exchange, and stake Cardano on many trades, including the main stages like eToro, Saxo, Coinbase, and Binance. What is Cardano? Cardano is a decentralized organization based on blockchain innovation that likewise has its own coin named ADA. Notwithstanding the famous Cardano digital money, the Cardano network empowers shrewd agreements and decentralized applications on its harmless to the ecosystem programming, while at the same time keeping up with the security gave by comparable blockchain. Cardano value forecasts the entire crypto world is on an edge of a total breakdown. Bitcoin has fallen 75% from its unsurpassed high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs. At the point when add the latest implosions of immense industry players into the situation, the horizon is dim and there will be more blood in the city of the crypto town. Financial backers are selling hazardous resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an exceptionally hazardous play, and thus the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2023, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2023 expectations. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the far-off and later history. Group made a cost expectation model with a multi-layered way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and essential evaluation of each task. Basics that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, promoting endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical potential, and a few other restrictive variables created in our crypto lab. 2023 05013.72% $0 3865 2023 05 023.67% $0 3866 2023 05 03 plus 2.79% $0 4126 2023 05 04 plus 2.22% $0 4103 2023 05 05 plus 0.05% $0 4016 2023 05 06 0.17% $0 4007 2023 05 07 plus 1.84% $0 4088 2023 05 08 2.26% $0 3923 2023 05 096.66% $0 3746 2023 05 10 plus 0.30% 40 cents. Cardano value forecast 2023. High expansion and very risky large-scale circumstance considered vigorously. Bitcoin cost in 2022. At the point when we take the inward crypto issues with huge players like FTX, Celsius, Explorer, Luna going down, 2023 isn't looking excessively really great for the bulls. We will presumably see a great deal of exhausting sideways cost activity with a propensity to slip lower with every minor market quake. 2023 May 15.83% $0 3378 2023 June 25.57% $0 2987 2023 Joel 19.71% $0 3223 2023 Og 14.69% $0 3424 2023 Sep 9.54% $0 3631 2023 Oct plus 2.03% $0 4095 2023 Nov plus 4.05% $0 4176 2023 Dec plus 16.81% $0 4688 2024 Jan plus 21.19% $0 4864 2024 Feb plus 34.26% $0 5389 2024 Blemish plus 34.32% $0 5391 2024 Apper plus 45.50% 58 cents a dia. Value expectation 2025. Our forecast model sees ADA coming to $1.02 in 2025. What will ADA be worth in 5 years? The cost of ADA in 5 years could lie around 89 cents. Cardano value forecast 2030 to 2040. What Cardano will be worth in 2030? Our anticipating model sees Cardano coming to $2.56 in 2030. What Cardano will be worth in 2040? Our estimating model sees Cardano coming to $5.12 in 2040. Will Cardano supplant, outperform, overwhelm Bitcoin? No, Cardano won't supplant or overwhelm BTC. Could Cardano at any point reach $10? Indeed, Cardano could reach $10 toward the finish of 2025. Could Cardano at any point reach $100? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Cardano to reach $100 in the short or mid-term period. Could Cardano at any point reach $1,000? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Cardano to reach $1,000 in the short or mid-term period. Is Cardano worth purchasing? We are promoters of decently hazardous money management. Put the greater part of your crypto portfolio in BTC, 35% in a bushel of large cap coins, and the rest in little tasks with colossal potential gain. Along these lines, in this specific situation, Cardano merits purchasing. Is Cardano a wise speculation? Cardano is, very much like any remaining cryptographic forms of money, a hazardous speculation. It has higher likelihood of going up than down in view of the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. What amount will Cardano be worth? For the transient future, it could reach 24 cents. In the long haul, it could leap to $2.56 or much higher. For what reason will Cardano succeed and become more expensive? Cardano has a decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. These are an essential for progress, and to that end our expectation model sees Cardano ascending to $2.56 in 2030. For what reason will Cardano come up short and drop in cost? Crypto projects fizzle in light of multiple factors. The absolute most normal ones are: group denounces any and all authority and leaves the task, controllers pronounce it unlawful and press trades to delist it, absence of media consideration, more effective contenders, absence of all-around planned advertising procedure, losing local area support, likely weakness in the convention, neglecting to accomplish expected least development movement on the convention, neglecting to draw in new designers to expand on their foundation. How high will Cardano go? Our gauging model sees Cardano value detonating and coming to $5.12 in a far-off future. What is the momentary expectation for Cardano? Cardano will reach 24 cents in the following 90 days, which is a 39.4% change over the ongoing cost, which floats around 40 cents. Might Cardano at any point make you a tycoon? Indeed, assuming you purchase enormous enough amount of it. Try not to hope to contribute $100 and become a Cardano tycoon. Be that as it may. 100x value blasts are a typical sight in crypto, so a $10K interest in Cardano could make you a tycoon. Cardano value forecast today. What will be the cost of Cardano tomorrow? Cardano will float around 40 cents tomorrow. Is Cardano dead? No, a long way from it. Cardano has one of the biggest crypto networks and advancement groups. It is additionally included on